Working of air conditioner. Freon is a non-combustible gas that is used as a refrigerant in air conditioning applications. Freon gas in compressor compresses. Freon gas gets high pressure and high temperature. Then it converts into vapor form. And according to thermodynamics, it flows from hot to cold. Then the refrigerant flows to the condenser coil. In condenser coil, it cools down. Then it transfers into high temperature liquid because of the condenser. In expansion, there is an expansion of freon. After expansion wall, the freon refrigerant flows to the evaporator coil. There is a evaporation of freon. Subscribe the channel.